Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Widgets not working problem in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that go to your personalization, click on taskbar and turn on the widgets. Now you can see. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows. After that, click on accounts, click on your info, click on sign in with Microsoft account instead, and log in with your Microsoft account. The third method is that in the search box type gpedit.msc. Open a group policy. Select the administrative templates and expand it. Select the Windows component and expand it. After that, scroll down and find out a widgets. Now here is the widgets. Click on it. Click on allow widgets and double click and open the services and click on enable and apply an OK button. After that, close the group policy, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search, go into your settings of your Windows, go to your app section, go to your apps and features. In the search box type a team in Microsoft team, click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down and find out first of all click on a repair, click on reset and close it. I hope after doing this that your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.